Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making this up, a one-pan tomato shrimp pasta made with a delicious combination, of course, shrimp, tomatoes, combination of spices, pasta. You can do this in well under half an hour. It's only done in one pan, no sauce needed. It's absolutely incredible. You're going to love this, makes a great midweek meal, so let me show you how to do this. Okay guys, we're going to kick things off here by adding some oil to a preheated pan. Put in 5 cloves of chopped garlic, and I'm just going to saute this for a minute or two until that wonderful aroma fills the air. After that, I'm going to add in about 15 cherry tomatoes that I've chopped in half. Some chili flakes, and this isn't very much, you don't want a whole lot of this. Maybe about a 1/4 teaspoon, and of course some salt, and ground black pepper. Okay, we'll just go ahead and give this a stir. After about a minute, I'm going to add in, I'd say about 2 servings of pasta, a cup of water. The smell's fantastic just even right now. 1½ cups of chicken stock, just to give it that extra flavor. And we're going to simmer this for about 9 or 10 minutes until the pasta is fully cooked. And what you might want to do every now and then is just kind of push these noodles aside and separate them, just so they don't stick together. After about 10 minutes, the pasta is nicely done, so I'm going to go ahead and add in, I'd say about 15 shrimp, and I've left the tails on. Some olive oil, and we're just going to toss this until the shrimp changes color to a nice pink. It's already starting to get there. By the way, guys, I'm going to do my stand-up comedian act. What do you call a shrimp with a tie? Sophisticated. Last up, now the shrimp is turned to pink. I'm going to add in some fresh basil. You can use dried too. I just like the fresh stuff. About a teaspoon of lemon juice, or you can use fresh lemon. And a couple of tablespoons of Parmesan. Give this a toss. The smells so good, guys. Kill the heat, and you're good to go. And there you have it, guys, our one-pan tomato shrimp pasta. Incredibly delicious. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Absolutely fantastic. The pasta's done nicely, the shrimp is perfect, the spices, the snap of freshness from the basil. You gotta try this. You're gonna love it. And the heat from the chili, just great. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. There's all kinds of great recipes there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and we'll catch you next time.